ladies, welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are having a great day. This is going to be a very short video. I have an unboxing from the Happy Planner and I am so excited about that. I need to get my priorities straight. I need to get in a workable schedule. Next week I'm going to be working on that very diligently. I would love to do 2 videos every week, but we will see. If you're new here, my name is Tammy Embrick. I do all kinds of beauty and skincare and makeup reviews. Get ready with me's. I have 2 giveaways per year, once in the spring, once in the fall. I talk about makeup, skincare, weight loss, fashion, jewelry, nails, healthy lifestyle. If you like all those things, stick around and subscribe to my channel. I want to show you my chrome purple nails. Oh my goodness, I love those nails. I love them. Okay, I have been sick last week. At first I thought it was heat exhaustion. Let's see, not this past Tuesday, but the Tuesday before that. I went to the Monroe County Fair. Both my grandson and my son were pulling. My son was pulling a truck and my grandson was pulling a tractor. So I was really excited about that, but oh my goodness. It was 95 and above. I think it was even hotter than that. It was so hot. I mean, I could feel my face actually overheating. I've never felt that before, and I was sweating. I was glad I was sweating, because if you don't sweat, that could mean a heat stroke and especially a fever. I did not run a fever. But anyway, oh my goodness, I wanted to go home so bad, but everybody was so busy and everything. So there was some good shade. I found some really good shade between 2 trucks. Actually, it was between my husband's truck and my son's truck. So I knew I had to sit there for a long time to just be still and cool off. It took me forever to cool down. But yeah, I was totally exhausted when I left the place. I mean, I was glad I was there for both my son and my grandson, but I could not go out on the bleachers and actually watch them pull. So I was kind of upset about that, but they knew what was going on. They were seeing me. So anyway, I was exhausted that night, and the day after, I started really getting sick at my stomach and diarrhea and just no fever, still no fever. But I noticed I had a cough, a persistent cough. I was at my sister's a week prior to that, I think, or week and a half or so prior to that, and she had some kind of virus. It was mainly the same thing, cough, kind of nausea, and diarrhea. So we both never did run a fever. So yes, I had that virus. So I thought for sure at first I thought for sure it was heat exhaustion. And that was the very first, I had some heat exhaustion for sure, but I was sick for like 6 days, and heat exhaustion does not last 6 days. I mean, I was for sure it wasn't a heat stroke or anything like that, because I didn't run a fever and I was sweating and everything. So yeah, but I was so sick, and then and then after I started getting better, I didn't have no energy and I didn't have an appetite for a couple more days. I lost 5 pounds, picked it right back up. But anyway, yeah, that's where I've been. So I told you in my last video that I was really gonna step up my game on consistency with my content. Still doing that. I had tons and tons and tons of declutters. Oh my gosh. I did my mascaras. I am ashamed to say that I had tons and tons and tons dried out mascara. So I did pitch a bunch of those. So, but anyway, I still have lots of mascara and some new ones to try out. But anyway, enough about all that. Let's get into this unboxing. Again, it's from the Happy Planner. They have planners and stickers and notebooks and all kinds. I love the Happy Planner. I love it. So let's get busy. I am so glad it's Thursday and tomorrow's Friday. I'm hoping to do another video today, right after this one, and that's going to be empties. Some empties. I'm just going to call it empties for 2025 going forward. I have a bunch. I think I have like 15 or 16 empties. So anyway, so sad about Ozzy Osbourne's death. When I was young, very young teenager, 13, 14 years old, I listened to Black Sabbath quite a bit, but I don't normally listen to that kind of music anymore, but he was a legend. He was a legend. But it was so sad, and his wife, oh my goodness. I didn't watch the whole funeral, but I did watch quite a bit of it. So sad. Okay. I purchased some stickers. Let's see. Happy Planner classic sticker sheets. The big sticker sheets. Those. Got those. And oh, I got, let's see, big fill paper. It's fill paper for my actual planner. Oh, another thing of stickers. Another thing of stickers. Oh, and another thing of fill paper. And then my actual planner. Get rid of this box here. Let's see. Scissors. Okay, this is I got specifically an undated one because of my procrastination. I don't know how many times I have purchased planners with the dates, the year, and started in for like a week or two, whatever, and then just quit. I mean, I'm famous for that. But anyway, this is a undated one. I thought it was really pretty, or it says plans. So I am going to have a planner for weight loss and fitness, my beauty blog, and of course YouTube. So I am going to step up my game and get into scheduling and stick with it. I mean, I have other planners, a couple other undated planners that I can go forward with my 3 planners. And I have I've got a ton of stickers, and this is what I had already, and this is not all of it. See, I want to get organized, and I just have to do it. And I know all these, I've talked about this before. planners and stickers and everything, but I'm going to do it this time. I think I'm going to do some kind of challenge with this. So anyway, tons of stickers and couple other planners. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. Okay, let's dive into the new planner. Salt in the air and sand in my hair. I think this is a beach vibe. And I love color, so the index are all different colors. I love that. I mean, these are, when you start out each month, these are big enough boxes to put your main goals and plans for the day. I mean, a ton of notes in the back. Plan a happy life. These notes here, priorities, important, and take note. That's bigger than you think. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different lines and little boxes that you can check off for your tasks and priorities for the day. So anyway, I really like the color of the binder there. So yeah, I am excited for going forward. Happy planner. And there is the front of it again. So tell me, do you all keep planners, make notes, make lists, everything? And do you do all that to keep organized and prioritized throughout your days and weeks? Let me know in the comments. I would really love to hear from you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me some thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel and you haven't done so yet, subscribe and always hit that little bell for notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.